or like pretty quick. So yeah, I use the towel as like a cushion basically. Actually works pretty good. Pretty well. Works pretty well. Okay, they don't have a leather face. That's kind of nice. They do have a cook though. Alright, let's see if my teammates will talk to me. Do they have anything they want to say?
Everyone here is looking for you. Like, please.
Please.
Can you help me?
Please help me.
Please.
So they have a hitchhiker, a Nancy, and a cook. Well, that's not good. Just go up. No, that's not really good. That is a no bueno.
Those animals.
I need my teammates to like go upstairs or jump out the front door. What the fuck is happening? Oh, there's no trap over here. Oh, she's already upstairs. Oh shit, that door is latched. The cook not see me? Why is this door latched? Shit. Shit. I was gonna try to latch it. What? How does Grandpa trigger right there? How does Grandpa trigger there? That makes no sense. Nice. Where's this hitchhiker at? I think 2 or 3 of them are upstairs. What's this hitchhiker? Motherfucker, dude. Jesus Christ. Oops. Did not want to do that. Dude, how does that hit me, bro? Come on. Oh my god, I'm so low. No. Please. Wait, no one's talking on my team. That's kind of weird. Oh. Fuck, dude, they're watching this back door real good. Go, go, go. Please tell me she's proficiency. Oh shit, they're coming.
I know to find the others.
Please, bro. Are you not proficiency? Oh my fucking god, bro. Nice. Nice, dude. Nice. I grab this big old heal right here.
Think. Just look around.
I got Nancy and Hitchhiker in the back. Found him. I knew I'd find him.
I'm good. I'm good. Just stay calm.
This Nancy. Oh shit. No, don't chase me, bro. Don't chase me, please. I swear I'll be good. I swear I'll be good. Where's this hitchhiker at? Oh shit, he put a fucking trap right there? Oh shit. I'm fucking dead. I didn't realize he put a trap there. She ran out of stamina? Oh, is she not chasing me anymore? Okay. Nice. Wait, is Cook back here too? What the fuck is going on?
It might be handy.
Yeah, still Hitch and Nancy are both back here.
Oh no.
Oh shit. No! No! Oh, she doesn't have poison claws? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh my god, she's so fast. No! Dude, what are my teammates doing, bro? You guys gotta do fuse or something. Come on, dude. There's two of them in the back. What is this Maria doing, bro? Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Okay. You got this.
Alright, good thing I took that heal from the back. Nice.
Think.
Well, now I have to watch the back, so that's pretty good. I'm really surprised the cook's not pinging me also. Okay, nice. She whispered sweet nothings in Grandpa's ear. Where are they at? Are they all in the house? Wow, there's no way, dude. How are they gonna watch the back door? Hmm. Oh, they're going out the back door again.
They're too close. Take that.
Is Hitchhiker in the basement?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, this should be an easy dub right here. Is he coming out already? Man, these guys react really fast. Jesus. I don't have my ability up yet. That fucking sucks. I might be able to get this though. I don't think so, but I don't have my, yeah, the Hitchhiker. Damn, I was hoping it was Nancy, not Hitchhiker. Hitchhiker's in the back with me. I got the battery off. I just need to use my ability on the gate.
I'm good. Just stay calm.
I mean, I might be able to pull this out of my ass.
Was that thing? Was that a person?
Yeah, if you can fight him, I can open that gate.
Okay. Okay. You got this.
He sees me, right? There's no way. Alright, Maria, what we doing? What we doing here, bro? Jesus Christ. GG, let's go. Yeah, let's go. GG easy. He didn't see me sneak up to the bushes. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go, dude.
Please, God.
I like how I crouch walked over to this toolbox and then I just spammed the tool. Anyways. Oh, that's a leather face.
Gotta stay together.
What's this Leland doing? Nancy's right there. Oh, she didn't even see me? What the fuck? Okay, fuse box is on right gen. What the fuck? God damn it, Leland. Motherfucker. Just scare the shit out of me, bro. What are you doing, Leland? God damn it, bro. This freaking Leland, bro. You gonna door slam me? Okay, you didn't door slam me. Alright, this is kind of troll, but YOLO, dude. Oh shit, they're coming. Wait, someone over here?
Too low. Okay, stay calm. Maybe I can find something.
Okay, he barged the hitchhiker.
Stay quiet.
This is Leland, bro. No, please. Don't chase me, dude. Me and this Leland, bro. What the hell, dude? We're stuck in each other, bro. What is this Leland doing, bro? The fuck? This guy's like up my ass the whole time. Bro, get a bone scrap or something. What you doing? Is this a proficiency Leland or what's going on here? I didn't even see his build. What the fuck's all the toolboxes at? Oh shit, we got... Oh shit, okay. Easy, dude, easy. Oh wait, I was supposed to play Anna this game. I don't... Do they have a hands? They do not. Just a little farther. Yeah, I have no idea what that Nancy was doing.